Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the art of creating realistic shadows and highlights in Photoshop. Whether it's a self shadow, context shadow, cast shadow, highlights, or reflections, I will show you how to make it all come together with a touch of background lighting for that perfect finishing touch. So let's get started. First, import your image. Head over to the select menu and choose subject. Then add a layer mask to isolate your object. For creating a self shadow, create a new layer above your image. Change the blend mode to multiply and press Alt to clip it to the layer below. Select a soft brush with a flow of 10%. Hold Alt to pick a color from the object and start painting soft shadows. Painting with a soft brush on a multiply layer naturally blends the shadows with the object, adding depth. Add some darker tones along the edges for a realistic look. Adjust the shadows tone using hue saturation or press Ctrl U. Now we will create context shadow. Context shadows are also known as dark shadow. So create a new layer below the object layer. Set the blend mode to multiply. Use a soft brush with a 50% flow to paint darker tones at the base of the object where it touches the surface. Lower the layer opacity for a subtle effect. Now we will create a cast shadow. Create a new layer for the cast shadow. Set the blend mode to multiply and use a soft brush with a 13% flow to paint the shadow extending from the object. Convert this layer into a smart object for non-destructive edit. Apply path blur. This softens and adds direction to the cast shadow, making it more natural. Now we will add highlights. Highlights make your object pop by mimicking light reflection. So create a solid color layer and choose a bright orange tone. Set the blend mode to screen and clip it to the object layer. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Use a soft brush with a 4% flow to paint light essence where the light source hits the object. Now we will create reflections. Reflections enhance realism by mimicking how light interacts with surfaces. Duplicate the object layer with Ctrl J and rename it reflection. Place the reflection layer below the main layer. Convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose flip vertically. Set the blend mode to multiply and apply a tilt shift blur for a soft look. Lower the layer opacity to 20 to 21% and mask out unnecessary areas. Now we will add background lighting. Finally, we will tie everything together with a stunning background. Create a background layer and add gradient or radial lighting to complement your scene. And that's it. With these steps, we have created a stunning, realistic composition complete with shadows, highlights, reflection, and polished background.